Hey guys, so this week I have been ill and I wasn't able to get to the craft store to buy some of the items that I needed. So I ran into the need to improvise very quickly. I'm making and prototyping some plushie designs because I'll be attending Comic Con in March, and I wanted to bring some plushies and some soft toys and various other items with me, but for that I need some beads for the crafting process, but I didn't have them to hand, so I had to improvise. And luckily enough, I had a few things here that I was able to use. Now, I know not everybody is going to have these things to hand, but I have so many different items in my kit that these actually worked out really well. So what I used was some multicolored beads of various sizes, some spray gloss in black, and then I also used some double-sided sticky tape and a tin just to keep things nice and neat. So what I did was I placed the sticky tape, the double-sided tape, in the bottom of the tin, and then I laid out the beads on top of that, and I literally just spray glossed them with the spray varnish. So I left them to dry for 2 hours, and lo and behold, I ended up with some fairly decent beads that are useful as black eyes on plushies. So I was kind of happy with the result. They're not perfect, but they're definitely usable. So I just really wanted to make this video to show that crafters really do run into the need to improvise an awful lot, and it's very handy to be able to problem solve without necessarily having to run to the store every time you need something. Being able to make your own things just comes in so handy. I hope you like this video and have a great day.